Welcome to HC Machinery Company. Today we learn about HC 7300 Soft Forming J Type Automatic Edge Banding Machine. The total length of the equipment is 5.6 meters, the weight is 1000 kilograms, and the total power is 20 kilowatts. It can realize J-type edge banding and C-type edge banding. The two modes can be switched by one button on the control panel. Edge banding heating system, profiling bonding system, and cutting system, edge trimming system, secondary edge trimming system, glue removal line system, polishing system, from milling to finished product at one time. The volume of the glue pot is 5 liters. High temperature granular glue or PU glue can be used. Our machine can be customized. You state your functional requirements, and we will do our best to meet your requirements. Our contact information: